Hi dear students, welcome back to Mathematics online class. Now, in the previous video, people have want to know that how to solve the linear differential equation. So, involving the variable. Okay. Now, in that manner, the people have solved 5 to 6 problems in the previous video. Now, let's take the next problem on the exercise 7th problem. X log x into divided by x plus 5 is equal to 2 by x into log x. Now it is not in the standard form. What is the standard form? Standard form is dy by dx plus dy is equal to 2. Where p and q are the constants or functions in terms of x. Now, here the integrating factor we know that. What is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is equal to e power integration of p into dx. And the general solution we know that. What is the general solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx. This is the formula we people have already know that. So using that formula, now how to solve this one? First of all, we need to convert into the standard form. How to convert dy by dx coefficient should be 1. Here it is not the 1. So divide throughout by x into log x. So I just write dy by dx plus dividing by x into log x. Divided by x into log x into y as it is. So this is 2 divided by x into log of x and x into log of x. Here log x will cancel. Okay, remaining thing I just rewrite dy by dx plus here I just rewrite. How I just rewrite means p value 1 by x into log x. So that I just write 1 by x whole thing divided by log of x, or else if you are not getting this one, please write as this. Later on you can rewrite x into log of x into y or y square is equal. Here we can write it as 2 divided by x square. X is taken to the denominator. Now it is the standard form dy by dx plus this is a p into y is equal to 2. P and Q are functions in terms of x. So here I just write that. What is the P value? 1 divided by x into log x. What is the Q value? 2 divided by x square. After getting the P and Q value, first of all we need to get the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? E power integration of p into dx is equal to e power integration of. So P value I just rewrite. How I just rewrite means 1 divided by x whole thing divided by x. Can I write it? Once again you need to write this one. X is taken to numerator 1 by x. Take it. Denominator will get the previous result. Into dx. Why is this written in that form? Because observe that here it is f dash of x divided by f of x. I got it? Because we need to integrate this one. So this is called f dash of x divided by f of x. What is f of x? Log x. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. So f dash of x divided by f of x. So next one, integration of f dash of x divided by f of x value is how much? Log of f of x. F of x value is how much? Log x. Are you clear? Integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx value is how much? Log of f of x is that. So in place of f of x, what is the value? Log x is that. So log as it is log. In place of f of x, log x, replace it. Now this exponential and log get cancelled. What is left? Integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to log of x is left. How do you cancel that exponential and log? Due to the properties of the logarithm. Okay, integrating factor is log x. Base is e. Okay, integrating factor is not got it. Now the next thing is general solution we need to find. So we know that y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor into dx, right? So y into what is the integrating factor? Log of x. Y log x is equal to integration of q value is 2 divided by x square. 2 by x square integrating factor is log of x into dx. Left hand side of right hand side integrate. So how do you integrate the right hand side? Next, here I just take the 2 is outside. Integration of log of x divided by x square is that into dx. How do you integrate the log x divided by x square? So log x divided by x square we need to integrate. Then which form is suitable here? If you replace the suppose if you replace the t is equal to log x, what happens? Differentiating dt is equal to 1 by x into dx. But here not only the x, here we have a x square is there. So that means this we can write as x is equal. What is the x is equal to? We can write e power t. We can write. Are you clear? So this manner we can write it. Or else one more method. What is the one more method? Here only we can rewrite. How do we write to answer this? Integration of, I just write log of x into 1 divided by x square into dx. Left hand side y into log x as it is. Here we can write y log x is equal to as it is, log x as it is, 1 by x square into dx. Here we can use, instead of using this one, I just directly do that. Product of two functions. This is one function, this is one function. Here which is the first function, which is the second function. Log x 1 by x square. Logarithmic function, it is a algebraic function. So it is the first function, it is the second function. Are you clear? So that integration by parts, use it, what will get, check it. Or else you can use this one also, no problem. So y into log x, or is better to take the right hand side as let I is equal to, I just separately integrate. Then reverse I is going to replace into the equation number 1. So I is equal to integration of log of x into 1 divided by x square into dx. Now integrate the function, first function, second function, or u with I is equal to, keep the first function as it is, integration of the second function minus integration of the second function into differentiation of the first function d by dx of log of x. So log x as is, what is the integration of 1 divided by x square? 1 by x square can be written as x power minus 2. Integration of x power minus 2. What is that? X power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. X power n identity. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. What will get? Here we can directly write it as a minus 1 divided by x minus integration of, again it is a minus 1 by x, integration of 1 by x square. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x into dx. So here minus log of x divided by x minus minus plus integration of 1 divided by x square into dx. So minus log of x divided by x square plus, already know the integration of 1 by x square. That means you can write minus 1 divided by x integration constant plus c. This is the I value. So finally I value can write minus minus. Throughout we can take the minus common. So log of x divided by x plus 1 divided by x, I just write it as a plus c1 or minus c1. Is that clear? Minus is taken throughout as a common. Now replace this I value into the equation number 1. Therefore the equation number 1 is plus. What is that? Y into log of x is equal to 2 times of integral value, this value, 2 times of minus is that, I just keep the minus outside, into what happens? Log of x divided by x plus 1 by x minus c1. Now again multiply this one. So y into log x is equal to minus 2 into this one. So or minus 2 keep as it is. Then I just write that log of x divided by x plus 1 by x plus c, where c is equal to minus c1, where c is equal to minus c1. This is the required general solution of given differential equation. This particular rule most of the time repeated in the examination. And one more thing, we can divide throughout by log x. Then we can write the y is equal. Okay, no problem. We kept this much final answer. We'll get the full by marks. Or else we can write y is equal. Dividing throughout by log x, we'll get the y is equal. Okay. So this is how we have to solve the problem. Very simple. After getting the p and q, integrating factor. After finding the integrating factor, here we need to replace. Here is the integration. How to do different functions integration. We get it. So always you need to do the product rule. That is integration by parts only. So depending upon the situation, we have to do the integration. Okay. Next. In problem, 1 plus x square into d1 plus 2xy into dx is equal to cot x into dx, where x is not equal to 0. X value should not take the 0 because cot of 0 not defined, right? So that is it. Okay, now first of all we integrate the dy by dx is equal. How will you shift this 2xy into dx into right hand side? What happens? 1 plus x square into dy is equal to cot of x into dx minus 2xy into dx. dx is the take a common answer dx. Cot x minus 2xy into dx. Left hand side 1 plus x square into dy. We have to get the dy by dx is equal. dx is shifted into left hand side. dy by dx. This 1 plus x square is shifted into right hand side. So what will get? Cot x minus 2xy divided by 1 plus x square. Separately, I just write separately. Cot x divided by 1 plus x square minus 2xy divided by 1 plus x square. dy by dx which is cot. Next, plus dy is required. So cot x divided by 1 plus x square purely in terms of x is there. So keep right hand side dy by dx. Then negative term taken to left hand side. First 2x divided by 1 plus x square into y is equal to cot of x divided by 1 plus x square. Can I write in this manner? Check it. 2x, y is the as a step outside. Now which is purely in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to 2. Okay, now proceed. Here p is equal to, what is the p is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square. And q is equal to, what is that? Cot of x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, now integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? E power integration of p into dx is equal to e power integration of p value is 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx e power. What is the integration of 2x divided by 1 plus x square? Is it f dash of x divided by f of x? 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x. Okay, f dash of x divided by f of x. So that log of f of x value is 1 plus x square. Now you write the integration constant. Okay. Now here exponential log get cancelled. Finally the integrating factor is equal to how much? 1 plus x square. Now replace this integrating factor into the general equation formula. So y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx. Replace it. Simplify. What we get? Check it. Y integrating factor is how much? 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square is equal to q into integration of q. What is the q? Q is, where is the q? Q is here. Part of x divided by 1 plus x square into integrating factor is what? 1 plus x square into dx. So here y into 1 plus x square divided is equal to integration of cot x divided by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square dx is that. So how do you integrate that one? Do you know that any term will reduce? Check it. Yes, 1 plus x square 1 plus x square will cancel. Integration of cot of x into dx. Left hand side y into 1 plus x square into dx. Now integrate the right hand side. What is the integration of cot of x? Do you know the integration of cot x? Integration of tan x, integration of cot x. What is the integration of tan x? Log of mod of sin x. Integration of cot x, log of sin x, log mod sin x. Do you know that integration? Just replace it, simplify. Yes. Y into 1 plus x square. Integration of cot x is log of mod sin x plus c. Integration constant plus c. We need the y is equal to, so y is equal to log of mod sin x divided by 1 plus x square plus c divided by 1 plus x square. So this is the required general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, in the same manner, go to the next problem. So very simple problems are there. You can easily solve these type of problems. dy by dx plus y minus x plus xy into cot of x is equal to 0 whenever x is not equal to 0. Yes, try to solve this problem. Here, first of all, convert into the standard form. dy by dx is equal. What we get? Already dy by dx is there. So I just write all the terms into the right hand side. Instead of simply all the terms, check it. So q is purely in terms of x, and p is also purely in terms of x we have to get. Y is required plus y coefficient is taking as a p. So y coefficient is keep left hand side only. Here is the y coefficient, here is the y is there. And I just take that y is common. If you take a y is common, what is left? 1 plus here it is x into cot of x. From these two terms, y is common. Here 1 is left, here x cot x is left, and this minus x shifted into right hand side. Are you sure? Once again, if you simplify, we will get the previous result only. Cot x into 1. Okay. Now, a dy by x function is 1 is required, dividing the root by x. Dy by x is equal to 1 plus x into cot of x. This thing divided by x into y is equal to 1. Here p is equal to, what is the p is equal to 1 plus x into cot of x divided by x. This is the p value, and q value is 1. P and q are constants or functions in terms of x. Okay, here p is a function in terms of x, q is the constant. Okay, simplify. Integrating factor e power integration of p into dx. E power integration of this one. I just split this one. How I just split this means 1 by x plus cot of x into dx. Already know the integration of 1 by x, integration of cot x, replace it, simplify. E power. What is the integration of 1 by x? Log of mod of x plus as it is. Integration of cot x, just now only you just use it. Log of mod of sin x. Okay. Now e power. Log n plus log n. Log of m. Log of x into sin of x. Log exponential will cancel. So x into sin x is the required integrating factor. Very simple. So after getting the integrating factor, now replace the integrating factor into the general solution. Y into, write the formula, and directly replacing y into x sin x is equal to integration of q into q value. What is the q value? Q value is 1 into x sin x into dx. Are you clear? Q value is 1 into integrating factor into dx. Left hand side no problem. So x sin of x or y into x or xy sin x is equal to whatever, no problem. So better to write the right hand side value. I just take it as a I. Call this as equation number 1. Let I is equal to integration of x into sin of x dx. Because sin x is that, x is that. Okay, so that reason I just separately integrate. Then what I just replace it, or directly can proceed as you wish. Okay. Here x into sin x is the product of the two functions. What is the first function? What is the second function? X, algebraic function. Sin x, trigonometric function. I lay which comes first, algebraic or trigonometric? Algebraic is the first function. Trigonometric is the second function. Lay here A, algebraic, trigonometric. Okay. So this is a u, this is a v. So I is equal to keep the first function as it is. Integration of the second function minus integration of the second function into differentiation of the first function, that is d by dx of x. Let's simplify x. Integration of sin x is minus cos of x. I just keep the minus here. Minus plus integration of sin x is minus cos x is that minus plus differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Okay. Now again minus x cos of x plus integration of cos x is plus sin of x integration constant c. This is the value of I. Put this I value in the equation number 1. So equation number 1 implies, what is the equation number 1 implies? X y into x sin of x is equal to integration of x sin x value only, which is got as I, so minus x into cos of x plus sin of x plus c. It will be divided throughout by x into sin x, not necessary, keep as is. So this is the required general solution of the given differential equation. X divided by x plus y minus x plus xy into cot of x is equal to 0, where x is not equal to 0. If you take an x is equal to 0, the derivative term will be eliminated. This will not become a differential equation. So that reason in the domain here x is just not considered as a less of the 0 remaining numbers. Okay. Now next second, 11th and the 12th problems are of the form dx by dy plus px is equal to q form. So just forget it, because for this second here this type of solution is removed. So that reason 11th and 12th problem we can leave. Next one, 13th problem. Now we need to find the particular solution. Find the particular solution which is satisfying the following condition. Okay. For the given differential equation. Okay. dy by x plus 2y into tan x is equal to sin x. Condition is y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60 degree. At the 60 degree, this differential equation or curve which gives the 0, y is equal to 0. Now we need to convert into the dy by x. Is already done? Check it. Dy by x is that 2 into y tan x is equal to sin x is that. Little bit arrangement. Okay. Dy by x plus 2 into tan x into y, which is right, is equal to sin x. Now check it is dy by x. This is the p, y is equal to 2. Okay. Now here, now onwards you can easily proceed the solution. Here p is equal to 2 into tan of x. Q is equal to sin of x. So directly can solve integrating factor e power integration of p into dx is equal to e power integration p is 2 tan x, 2 outside tan x into dx is equal to integration e power 2 is integration of tan x. Tan x is that. Tan x is nothing but log of sec x. So you can take the 2 to the power. So e power log of secant square of x. Are you clear? Properties of the exponential e get transformed secant square x. So finally, what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is secant square of x. Now general solution, y into, write the formula. So y into secant square x is equal to integration of q value. What is the q? Q is the sin x is that. Sin x into secant square of x into dx. Okay, simplify. How to simplify this one? Left hand side no need to simplify. Y into secant square x as it is equal. Right hand side. Sin x into secant square x is that. How to integrate sin x into secant square x? Product rule, which is not possible to apply the product rule, because in product rule means integration by parts, which is not possible to apply because both are trigonometric ratios are there. Next, rewrite. How do we rewrite? Secant square x can be written as 1 divided by cos square x. Cos square x can be written as cos x into cos x. Numerator sin x is there. What is the sin x by cos x? Sin x by cos x is what? Tan of x into 1 by cos x. I just write it as a sec x into x. Now check whether that is in the standard form or not in the standard form. What is the integration of sec x into tan x or tan x into sec x? Yes, it is in the standard form. What is the integration of sec x into tan x? That is nothing but sec of x plus c. So this is the general solution. Vikalp. Agree that one? What is integration of sec x into tan x? Sec x. Okay. Now this is the general solution which is called, but we need to find the particular solution. Find the particular solution which is satisfying the given condition. What is the given condition here? Condition is given. What is that condition? Given that y is equal to 0, when x is equal to by arbitrary constant value we need to find. The c value we are required to find it. How to find y value is 0. Y into sec x is the total left hand side term is 0 is equal to sec x is the sec of pi by that is sec of 60. Sec 60. What is the sec of 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sec 60 is just 2 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to -2. C is -2. Then the required equation is or required solution is required particular solution is y into secant square of x is equal to sec of x minus 2. This is the required particular solution of the given differential equation. So very simple particular solution. In just to solve it, they ask means general solution. Here only we can stop it. If they ask particular solution means after getting the general solution, replace the given condition y and x value, simplifying we will get the c value. That c value finally we need to replace in the general solution. Now take the next problem. So 14th problem of the exercise, 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2x into y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. Yes. You can easily try this one. Yes. So first of all, find the dy by dx. Dy by dx. So plus 2xy divided by 1 plus x square is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square already is there, again 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus x square whole square. Now it is in the form. Or one more step we can write dy by dx plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square into y is equal to 1 plus x square into whole square. Now it is in the standard form. Here p value. What is the p value? 2x divided by 1 plus x square. And q value 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, integrating factor is equal to e power integration of p into x. E power integration p value 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Every problem has the same steps. Only the function value changes. Okay, f dash of x divided by f of x. So log of f of x. F of x value is 1 plus x square. Exponential log that cancel 1 plus x square is integrating factor is 1 plus x square. Now y into integrating factor is 1 plus x square to get the general integration of q into 1 plus x square whole square into integrating factor is 1 plus x square into dx. Okay, now cancel it, simplify. What will you get? Remaining term 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx is done. Left hand side y into 1 plus x square. Now, okay, right hand side integration. What is the integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square? It is the tan inverse of x. It is the tan inverse of x. Do you know that formula? 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Reverse process. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Suppose here it is a minus in that means we need to write the cot inverse of x. Or else instead of the tan inverse x we can write the minus cot inverse of x also. That is also correct place. Nothing to worry. Okay. Now next thing I just use the tan inverse only. Now here it is a general solution. We need to get the particular solution. So this is the general solution. So particular solution we require, so that is a given y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. What happens? Y is 0. This whole terms becomes 0 is equal to. Here x is 1. tan inverse of 1 plus c. What is the tan inverse of 1? Principal solution, that is principal value pi by 4. So it is pi by 4 is nothing but 45. So then c is equal to minus pi by 4. Replace the c into general solution. Now therefore the required solution is y into 1 plus x1 is equal to tan inverse of x plus c is nothing but minus pi by 4. Hence the solution. This is how we have to find the particular solution of the given differential equation using the given condition. Okay, now in the same manner, next problem. To take the next problem, I have given a word problem, so better to take the question. Yes, 16th problem. Here word problem is given. This type of problem several times. This is sort previously. Yes. Find the equation of the curve passing through the origin. Given that the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x, y is equal to the sum of the coordinates of the point. Okay. So find the equation of the curve. Find the equation of the curve. Suppose this is the curve is there. We need to find the equation of this curve. Y is equal to f of x or y is equal to how much we are equal to find. To find this curve, what is the condition now given? Okay, check it. Find the equation of the curve passing through the origin. This curve is passes through the origin. Origin is nothing but coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. Passes through the origin. Given that slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x, y. This is the fixed point 0, 0. Any point is that. Any point is nothing but x, y with any point, general point, which is satisfying all the points of the curve. So at this point, the slope of the tangent is that. Slope of the tangent is nothing but I just going to write the tangent. This is the tangent is that. This is the tangent. Slope of the tangent is nothing but what? Slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx. Given that. Given dy by dx is nothing but slope of the tangent. Geometrical interpretation of the first derivative of the function. Already know that dy by dx is represents the slope of the tangent at which point? At the any point x, y. Slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x, y is equal to the sum of the coordinates of the point. Sum of the coordinates of the point. Sum of coordinates of the point. Sum of what are the coordinates of the point? Point is nothing but x, y. Sum of this one x plus y. Sum of the coordinate of the point. I got the differential equation. Yes, dy by dx is equal to x plus y. This is the differential equation. So we need to get the particular solution or general solution. Particular solution. What is the condition? Condition is curve is passes through the point 0, 0. That means y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Given condition is y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. This is the condition. I think you got the point. According to the word, I will return the question. Check it. Find the equation of the curve. Curve is that which is passes through the origin, and the slope of the tangent to the curve is nothing but dy by dx at any point x, y is equal to the sum of the coordinates x plus y. Passes through the origin is that. So given condition is y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Solve this one. That's all. Dy by dx. Y is taken on the left hand side. Minus y is equal to x. Now this is the standard form. Here, what is the p value? P value I am just taking as a minus 1 because plus py is required. Y coefficient, whatever the value. Here y coefficient plus is there, plus p. So instead of the plus, minus 1 is there here. And q is equal to x. So integrating factor is equal to e power integration of p into dx. E power integration, p value is minus 1 into dx is equal to e power minus r. Integration of 1 is x. So integrating factor is how much? E power minus x. Now the general solution is required. Y integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx. So y into e power minus x is equal to q. What is the q? X is the x into e power minus x into dx. x y into e power minus x is equal to integration of x into e power minus x into dx. Now integrate. So I just continue here. So let I is equal to right hand side part. I just consider as I is equal to x into e power minus x into dx. Why? Because e power x either can differentiate or integrate. We'll get the e power x only. Minus x is there, e power minus x is there. So that reason it will not reduce. So that reason I just separately take it as a I. Now integrate. X is one function, e power minus x is another function. What is the first function? What is the second function? I let x is the algebraic function and e power is x. It is the exponential function. Last I let, so that it is the second function. Are you clear? So consider that e power minus x as a exponential function because e power x is there. E power minus x exponential is there. Okay. Now integration by parts. Keep the first function as it is. Integration of the second function minus integration of the second function into differentiation of the first function, that is d by dx of x. X into integration of e power x only, but here minus x is there. In place of x minus x, divide the coefficient of x, that is the minus 1. Here it is minus as it is, one integration as it is. Already this part integration is just take e power minus x divided by minus 1. Minus 1 taken outside, so e power minus x. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 into element of integration as it is. This is minus x into e power minus x plus integration of e power minus x is again e power minus x divided by minus 1 plus c. Here also minus, here also minus, or minus x e power minus x minus e power minus x plus c. This is the value of y. Replace this value into the equation number 1. Now the equation number 1 is what is the equation number 1? Y into e power minus x is equal to x into e power minus x dx. What is that? Integration is that minus x e power minus x minus e power minus x plus c. This is the general solution which is common. We can take the e power x, e power minus x as common, nothing to worry. Okay. So always keep as it is. Now this is the general solution, but we need to find the particular solution. Curve. Here plus c if you replace, kept it is nothing but this c value, whatever value you can replace it doesn't matter. So family of curve will get it. So we don't need the family of curve. We need the particular single curve. That curve is passes through the origin and slope of the tangent is sum of the coordinates of the point. So here given that what is that? Y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Or you can say that the curve is passes through the origin, therefore x comma y is equal to 0. General point should satisfy all the points on the curve. If you replace x and y are both 0, what will get? I just write here. Y is 0, this is left hand side value is 0 is equal to x is 0, this is 0 and e power minus e power x value 0. E power 0 is how much? E power 0 is 1. So here 0 is equal to minus as it is, e power 0 is 1 plus c. C is equal to plus 1. Replace the c value into here, we will get the required solution. Y into e power minus x is equal to minus x e power minus x minus e power minus x plus 1. This is the required curve having the slope of the tangent is equal to the sum of the coordinates of the point and which is passes through the origin. This is the required curve. This type of question might arise in the 5 marks session. Okay. Now, next. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point. Suppose the curve is that this curve value we need to find, which is passes through the point 0, 2. The curve is passes through the point 0, 2. Given that the sum of the coordinates of the any point on the curve. Suppose any point on the curve is nothing but x, y with any point which is satisfying all the points of the curve. the sum of the quad. Given that they are given, this is the given thing. The sum of the quadrants of the any point on the curve. Sum of the quadrants of the any point on the curve is nothing but x plus 1. Sum of the coordinates of the any point on the curve is nothing but x plus 1. On the curve, sum of the coordinates of any point on the curve exceeds the magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve. What is that? Slope of the tangent to the curve. Slope of the tangent to the curve is nothing but dy by dx. dy by dx. Slope of the tangent to the curve at that point by pi. So observe that the sum of coordinates of the any point on the curve, this value is exceeds. This value is exceeds. How much? The magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve. What is the slope of the tangent to the curve? dy by dx is the slope of the tangent to the curve. At that point is nothing but at the general point. At that point, by how much? This value is exceeds the slope of the tangent to the curve by how much? By 5. I got my point. The sum of the coordinates of the any point on the curve is exceeds by how much? Exceeds by magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve by 5. That means I just write here plus 5 is equal to x plus 1. X plus y is equal to magnitude of, that is length of the slope of the tangent by how much? By 5. So dy by dx plus 5 is equal to x plus 5. This is the given condition. Now the point is given, so x comma y. So y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 0. This is the differential equation solved for it. So dy by dx plus dy is required. So dy is required means as I start the minus y is equal to x minus 5. Now which is in the standard form. Here p is equal to, what is the p is equal to? Minus 1. Q is equal to x minus 5. So integrating factor is equal to e power integration of p into dx is equal to e power integration p is minus 1. So e power minus x. Integrating factor is e power minus x. That y integrating factor is minus x e power minus x is equal to integration of q value is x minus 5 into e power minus x into dx. What is this e power minus? This is the q. This is the integrating factor. Now just consider this as I. Integration of x minus 5 into e power minus x into dx. Previously, we just did the integration of that time of this type. Just integrate. What is the first function? What is the second function? This is the algebraic function first. This is the exponential function last. Okay. I is equal to, keep the first function as it is, x minus 5. Integration of the second function, e power minus x into dx. Integration of e power minus x into differentiation of x minus 5. d by dx of x minus, very simple. Now I is equal to x minus 5 as it is, e power minus x divided by minus, I just write here. Here is a plus integration of e power minus x, differentiation of x minus 5. What is the differentiation of x minus 5? Differentiation of x is 1, this is 0 into x. So this you can write 5 minus x into e power minus x. This is multiply the minus to the bracket. Now here I will write minus e power x plus x. This is I. Replace that I value in the equation number 1. This is not equation number 1. In the equation number 1. So what will get? Equation number 1 inverse. So y into e power minus x. Y into e power minus x is equal to integration of this function. That means 5 minus x into e power minus x minus e power minus x plus x. This is a general solution which is called. Now we need to get the particular solution. How to get the particular solution? Given that the curve is passes through the curve is passing through the point, passing through the point 0, 2, which means that x value is 0, y value is 2. Replace it. y value is 2, x value is 0, e power 0 is 1, 2 into 1, x value is 1 second, okay, x value is 0, 5 into e power minus x, that means 5 minus 0 into 1 minus e power 0 is 1 plus okay, 5 minus 1 4, 2 is equal to 4 plus c is equal to 2 minus 4, that is a minus 2. C is minus 2, therefore the required solution is y into e power minus x is equal to 5 minus x into e power minus x minus e power minus x plus c value is minus 2. This is minus 2. If you need again simplified form, you can write y is equal to 5 minus x minus 1 minus 2 times of e power x. How it is? Dividing throughout by e power minus x. Dividing throughout by e power minus x. We will get this result. I will write this one or this one. Is the required solution of the given differential equation. Okay. With this problem, it's completes your differential equation. Differential equation chapter has been completed. So now just practice all the problem. So in this chapter, you will get particularly very important for the examination. 1 marks question will not get it. So 2 marks question. For the 2 marks question, you need to write that order and degree compulsory. One differential equation they used to write the order and degree. And in the 3 marks section, you used to get that proving the homogeneous. Prove that the given differential equation is homogeneous. Only checking the homogeneous. No need to solve the option. And in the 5 marks, we get the linear differential equation. In the 5 marks section, linear differential equation. That is nothing but particularly the last exercise. 9.6 exercise. In that question, in that exercise, we will get the one question definitely. In that particularly, the solution of the form dx by dy plus q p into x is equal to q. This will not ask for this academic year. So very important point. Remember this one. So for the final examination purpose, like this. So one more thing, usually they used to ask in this manner, but so at this moment for this academic year, some of the topic and some of the concept has been removed. There might be slightly change in the question paper. Pattern is same as it is, no doubt at all in the pattern, but question might be very obviously maximum in assumption. So we'll get the same questions anyhow on this chapter. Practice it. So the differential equation, this is nothing but calculus purely based on the practice. You must and should practice each and every problem, each and every letter you have to write on the page. Okay, unless don't see blindly. So practice, practice, practice. Very important thing. Now in the next video we'll start the new chapter. Okay, thank you.